Hello, hello, good evening, everyone. Today we will show you how to install Oracle WebLogic web server on Docker by creating a Docker image and running the container behind, and how to access the WebLogic server on Docker. So first of all, we have to go and get the from the Oracle Docker images from the Oracle GitHub. So we take this command and go to our Linux session, and we clone. Okay, so now it's here, so we can take move Docker images to opt, and now we go to opt and we see our Docker images which are here. So this we brought the Oracle Docker images. Now we go to Docker login. To get, first of all, we need to install the Java JDK JRE 8. So we take Docker login. Okay, let's clear this one, and then it's authenticating. If it for you first time, it will ask you for your username and the password. You have to have an Oracle account in order to log in and to be able to get the container registries. So by this we are login succeeded. Now we take to Docker pull the container. We want this one, server. Okay, and we go. And by the way, my Linux is Ubuntu 18, and I'm working on a AWS, this AWS cloud. So once we finish and we take the port numbers, we will see it later. We will see how to modify the inbound rules to allow some ports that we need to override and expose the internal Docker ports. So once we are waiting this download to finish, okay, now we want to make a tag for it in order to have a better name. So we tag our Docker. Now we go to which image we want. So hello. So now we continue to take to take the image of the WebLogic that we want. Again, with the same login to container registry Oracle. Okay, then we go and take our image. Use the Docker pull, and we wait for the image to be downloaded. So We will wait until the download finishes. Now we can see the Docker image WebLogic 12.2.1.3 dev. It is downloaded. Now we need to tag it like we did for the Java. Okay, now we can see our Docker images. We have the Docker image that we pulled and the Oracle server registry tag 8, Oracle GRE 8. version. And now we need to build our Docker file. So in order to build our Docker file, we'll go to WebLogic, then samples, and we have, okay, we have this domain, and here we have our Docker file. Let us see our Docker file. So this is the Docker file. So it's taking from the image we pulled. So in order, this is developer, but our image name, it is dev. So we need to fix this one in order for our Docker build to succeed. Now we need to build. We have two ways we can build it: by using the build.sh, the bash script, or we can manually take this one and Docker file and build it. Now it is running, everything is successfully built. Again, we go to Docker images and we have our domain done. So what remains now is to run our container. Okay, so in order for us to run our container, we have this run admin server and the run managed server. First of all, to run our admin server, we need to run to see our script. Okay, here we have this one. First of all, it sets the environments. We have pre-prepared set environment, and then we have here the admin port and the administrator port and the admin port. Okay, for us we need to use just the admin port, but in order for us to make this working, we need to fix and put it an arbitrary port, but this will not be used. And one more thing, we need to go to properties. Here we have two files, domain.properties and domain_security.properties. We will see them here. We have the most important thing here. We have the internal ports and our external ports. What we will do, we are using 9001, which will override and expose the internal 7001, as we have seen in the run admin server. For here we have the domain host volume. This is a path that we need to change it, okay, in order for our this one, we need to change it to a host directory. So we can go here and say we want to make host, and okay, so we need to go to opt. Here we need to create that one. So again we have this one. So whatever the domain will be hosted on this directory. Okay, so let's go again and run our domain. Okay, run admin server. Now let us see our Docker. Okay, now it's up and self is starting. We wait. If it exceeds 10 seconds, means that it is okay. Now, as we can see here, our 9000 7001 again. Alright, as you can see here that it exited, so it did not start correctly. We need to go to host our place and chown-r to this user 1000. Now again we see that it's part of our user. Okay, so docker ps-a. Okay, we can remove it or we can start it again. I prefer to container prune, yes, docker ps-a, there's nothing. Then we go again to our Oracle WebLogic, and we run. Now let us see again how, if it will wait. 11, 12, 13 until it is started and healthy. 22. So now after a minute it started up and now it is in healthy state. Now in order for us to check, we go, we open, this is my public IP from the AWS, sorry, and console. So by this I have my Oracle WebLogic server illustrator installed correctly. Now in order to know what are my credentials, I go to properties, get domain security, and I have my username and welcome one. Okay, so I go and type my username, welcome one, login. Here I have my login, my successful installed WebLogic server. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.